What's up guys, it's Tastebud approved, and today we're going to be making pumpkin spice latte mini cakes. Let's get started. To make these cakes, I started by making a batch of my vanilla cake recipe and adding a little bit of cinnamon and nutmeg. You can add pumpkin filling. I just didn't have pumpkin filling on hand, but you can add that to get a really strong flavor of pumpkin spice latte. If you were wondering where I got this pan, I got it at Walmart from a real cooking kit. It's a princess cake pan. I recommend getting it because a lot of the tools I'm going to be using today in this video. So I do recommend getting this to really make this a great experience and not make it too difficult for yourself. Now I am popping out the cakes. They're super easy. You do need to grease the mold, but you just bend that mold and they come right out. But make sure you grease it. Here I have some white buttercream and I'm going to add 2 drops of crimson color and 2 drops of orange. I had to add a little bit of brown to kind of tone down my bright orange color. You can do that too. If you want to make it more cartoon, you don't need to add the brown like a bright orange, but I wanted to look as similar to the drink as possible. Also guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you receive notifications every time I post a new video. I want you guys to leave a comment below your favorite fall drink. It doesn't have to be from Starbucks, but it can just be any fall drink that you love to drink. Now I'm going to add a little bit of cinnamon to my buttercream. You can add nutmeg or pumpkin filling. Like I said, I didn't have pumpkin filling on hand, so I just sprinkled in a little bit of cinnamon into my buttercream. Now it is time to frost, stack, and crumb coat my cakes. Now it's time to stack, and you would think you put the bigger one on the bottom, but no, you put the smaller one so you can get more of a cup effect. That's the right way to do it, and now I'm just making sure all my layers fit together. Then I'm going to take them apart and put some buttercream there. And I kind of forgot to put buttercream on the bottom before I did it. I was like, oh no. And I also put a little bit too much buttercream. You only need a little bit of it. I added way too much. Don't make that mistake, guys. Now it's time to crumb coat the cake, and this cake was super wobbly, and I'm just using this doll that also came with the kit for support. If you were wondering how that doll stuck in there, there's a hole at the bottom of this cake stand, and there's holes all throughout those 3 cakes, so it was really perfect. It was great for support if your cake is wobbling around too much. That's why you really need this kit. It is amazing. There is a little hole there that you can't really see. Make sure to put buttercream there. We want the whole cake covered. I just took the cake out of the fridge and now it's time for a final coat of buttercream. And I took the doll out because it's chilled, so I have all the support I need. I got the cake as smooth as I could, and I went online and printed out the Starbucks logo, cut it out, and now I'm just placing it on my cake. You can do an edible image, but I'm just trying to make this quick, easy, and cute for you guys. Now it's time to make the whipped cream. I'm using a 1M tip with some white buttercream, and I'm just covering the whole top of the cake so it looks like whipped cream that comes with the drink. Once again, my BFF Cinnamon is coming in to sprinkle a little bit on top of the whipped cream, because when you get the pumpkin spice latte, there's always a little bit of spice on top. Now it's time to add the straw. Ta-da! Here is my pumpkin spice latte mini cake. It is adorable. Now this is officially Tastebud approved. Thanks for watching. Bye!